Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, December 2nd, 2025. We are looking at the Bitcoin on Zondacrypto. This is the Bitcoin to USDC daily time frame chart with Japanese candlesticks. So what's happened just recently on our swing? What is our swing? Let me just show you guys. This is the swing high, 125,500. So this is the technical resistance and this is how it looks like. And this is our swing low. Swing low is roughly around $80,000, and you can see that we went down from our swing high, pull back, new lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. However, the recent lower high is the biggest pullback in the sequence of down swing. So downswing pullbacks basically. Recently we got this big down candle. Nevertheless, what's important here for us is that we got quite long lower shadow, and this lower shadow bigger than the body of this candle, right? So what we are going to do today, we are going to place trend line, a blue trend line here for our lows, extreme lows, and we are going to mark this level 92,844 for a technical resistance. And now we know that there is very interesting thing developing here on this market. I guess that this one will be the next target eventually, so let's just focus on this too, and maybe, just maybe, the trend line would be appropriate. Let me just do the better, let me place, what's this? Oh, this is VAP. All right, but I want it from the top of this level. Can I do it? Can I get it from here? Yes, something like that. Okay, so VIP, we got our anchored VIP from this swing high, but this is not what I wanted to do. I want this trend line. However, I want a channel. This is the parallel channel, and this parallel channel is showing us that the market keeps moving out of this channel. You see, this is the let me just make it a little bit more visible. There you go, and the blue. So that's the situation here. We went out of the channel, and then we are back almost to the level of 93,000, and we hit the middle of the channel, and then we get rejected. All right, so that's kind of an important thing. Obviously, any breakout above 92,800 is bullish. Then this is the next target, and look at this. We got anchored VAP level here. That's the lower level. This is the middle level. So it looks like any breakout higher and then breakout above the technical resistance, $98,000, would likely put this middle anchored volume weighted moving average at 102,293 up for a test. Very interesting situation then, and the levels are quite clear in that situation. RSI is looking bearish, unfortunately. I thought that maybe just maybe it's going to be a little bit better than the usual one. Nevertheless, it looks like this one is rather bearish, and yes, I wanted to apply my trend line because I think that might be some kind of a breakout. Yes, there is a breakout, but this breakout is not that big, not that substantial as we might initially think. There is a breakout, but you know, 35 points is not good enough for the boost. So, and that kind of a volatility today is basically straight on not good enough. So if bulls want to move higher, they need to really start to move, because there is a support, there is a trend line, they are back inside of the channel. They have moved out of this zone here, extremely oversold conditions, extremely oversold zone, up above the trend line. Now we are waiting for the further movement from the boost, because for now it doesn't actually looks good for them. Any bad news like trigger or some kind of other situation here, and we are going even lower, below $80,000. So please watch the levels, because it looks like the bulls are onto something, but for now they don't have enough momentum to start the leg to the upside. Levels are on the place. Scenario has been written. We analyzed the Bitcoin to the USDC on Zondacrypto. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.